Okay, so I am officially introducing our GDP Ramp Challenge today, and the team has already been given their assignments. Team 1, raise your hands. Caroline and Karen. And Team 2 is Corey and Ava and Jackie, and Vicki and I are supervisors. And they have been given the assignment to pick the staging for one particular room. They've got the pictures and a staging assistant, our inventory system, and they're to pick one piece of inspirational art and then go for laying out all the accessories. The furniture is already picked, so they're going from that. And they have an hour and a half for the challenge. I don't think they're going to take that long to get it done, but woohoo, stay tuned. We're going to continue with some shots of them doing this work.
Yay! Yay!
We're going to use this art. That'd be cool. Well, that's going to be like...
Yeah.